People of this great realm, today we stand united. Our kingdom's glory shall never fade.
Grow strong, little one.
Tell me, good woman, what is the secret to such a thriving garden?
The blossoms.
Wise words. I find that applies to kingdoms as well.
Must always start from the ground up.
Take this, for it is the least that you deserve.
May the heavens bless your kind and generous heart. True wealth is not found in silver and gold, but in the wisdom to guide your people.
I can't believe we actually pulled that off!
They are gaining on us, Your Majesty!
Well, let them try to catch us then!
Remember, O King, a kingdom is not built with gold,
but with the hearts of your people. Today, we build a future for everyone based on wisdom.